Okay, for the next one, I'm going to talk about Google Slides. I know this isn't really like a new technology, but it's something that I've used in a different way that I never have used before. I just found some YouTube videos on how to do some of these things. So I'm just going to share them quickly. My purpose of this is to let students use these and also let teachers teach with them in the classroom. So the audience would be teachers and parents if they're using it at home, and then students would ultimately use the slides that you've created. The two standards that I would cover with this would be ensure all students have access to technology and connectivity necessary to participate in authentic and engaging learning opportunities. And also ensure which is standard 1B in the education leaders. And also education leaders standard 1A, ensure all students have skilled teachers who actively use technology to meet student learning needs. So I'm going to just do a quick something that you could do with this. Like you could do what comes next in shapes. Like you could do a little pattern like square. Oops. We're going to have square, circle. So I'm going to just put a circle here. So we'd have square, circle. Now, if I was going to do this with my class, I would make it a little bit prettier. I'm just trying to do a quick little to show you how I would do it. What comes next, and then I'd put a little line right here. And then the students would have to pick what comes next. So actually, I'm going to do this first, and then I'm going to show you how to, you can right click. Nope. Okay. File, download it as a JPEG. Then it downloads it there. And then you can make a new slide. I'm going to get rid of all of this and upload this to the background. Upload the thing I just made to the background. And now students can't move any of these objects. So I'm going to take this square and the circle and copy and paste it to this page so they have some options to choose from. And maybe give it a triangle in there just to... Okay. So then you could share this. I did this today during my small groups, and I shared my screen. No, actually, I shared a Google link with them that is an editable one, and the students could go in here and we could watch them take turns doing the pattern. It was pretty cool. Another way you can use the Google Slides for learning and teaching is I send this to my students to do during just like as a game. And I made this also, so you just click play, and then how many feathers are on the turkey? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If they answer the wrong question, it takes them to a slide with the X. And if they answer right, it's like, good job, next page. So to do this, it's a little bit more complicated. You just make some copies of it, and then you have squares that are linked to the right slides. And then if anybody wants to see more, I can tell you how to do this, or I can share the YouTube video that I learned how to do it from. So there's a ton of stuff out there on YouTube of how to do Google Slides, and that's where I learned all of my tips and tricks. So, okay, I think that's all I have for this one. Thanks.